I thought it was an awesome experience, you know, from the trainers, from James and Benji, training you, giving you the information and everything behind what SMP is, to the overall experience of, you know, actually going ahead and practicing on fake skin, to the melons, to the actual real person. They're with you along the whole way, and you know, they bring a good laughter, they bring a good overall vibe to the course.
This course is pretty intense. It's over 3 days. We start off with basic learnings. So we have a full booklet, all the basics of learning how to do this as a career. Also, we had a lot of practice. So we started off with melons and our fake rubber heads. And then on our last day, we had real models come in, which was really good for learning because you get to get the feel of the skin, understand how the ink works. It's a great course. It's short, it is condensed. There's a lot to learn in the 3 days, but it was a great course. Worth the money. The teachers, Benji and James, were amazing. The experience was great. I would really recommend this for my friends.